sank my battleship.
Victory!
Hey, Navy. All field goes wide right. Billy will thank you.
Navy, if you ever want to see the GOAT again, you might want to listen to our guys.
Think about it, Navy. Think about it.
Navy, we hope you don't listen.
I'm Lieutenant Colonel John O'Grady, Marial Province, Afghanistan. The combined team, Thunder, Swedes, Finns, Norwegians, Germans, and Afghan National Army. We've got one message. Go!